So it has gotten to the level that you will come down to this village. You won't ask of me again. Okay? Then this will be the end of you. This car will not, as you move with this car, you will not come back alive. Since you think you are the biggest boy, we will see the biggest coffin and we will carry the biggest casket for you. It shall not be well with you. It shall not be well with you.
Hey! My man!
The King!
My man!
I said this one!
Man, you saw the car,
I
right?
saw your car! I saw your car! I said this one, you came back, you did not answer me.
No, my guy. I've been trying to call you. I've been calling you for like about four hours now. I called you before I left home. I called you when I was on my way. I called you when I got here. I've been calling you.
You know village network. Again, the kind of phone we use is not your kind of phone.
I know.
Our phone select network.
I was actually your place is the next place I was coming to. I said, let me just say hello to Chinedu.
You know, I was surprised. I said, how can my friend will come down to this village without looking for me?
You know that's not possible.
I've been thinking about it.
That's not possible.
I saw your car. I said, no, this is your car. This is your car.
Let me tell you something.
Talk to me.
Let me tell you something. Let me shock you now. You are saying this is your car.
This is my brother. You know you like changing cars, but at least this one I've seen you with this one for like, I think for 6 months or 7 months now.
This is not my car. This is your car.
Stop. Stop.
You think I'm playing?
No. Why would we say that?
No, take a good look at your new car. Just take
a good look at your new car. Stop now.
My guy, I'm not joking with you. See. I did some business and I made some good money. If you think I had money before, my brother, you are joking. You see, your guy has upgraded to the next level. And then I told myself, after buying my new ride, you know that car I told you I would buy when I make money, I told myself that, how can I have a friend like you, and I'll be driving 2 cars. It's not important.
You mean this car?
Take, my brother, take. This is your car now. You deserve it.
You don't know why. You don't know the way I'm feeling.
See, you have done so much for me. You might think that you don't have money. What can you do for me, my brother? The support that you have shown me. Do you know the things you did for me when we're Do you know how you helped me? Do you know that when I was going to school and I would not have food to eat, you take me home, you give me your money. We used to share your food. You think I've forgotten?
Wait,
not forgotten.
Wait. You mean this car? You mean this car is my car?
Upcomer, this is your car. It's yours now.
How can I drive this car?
My brother, come. Come.
You don't understand.
Come and enter the drive.
Brother.
Come and drive your car. We need to go somewhere right now and have some palm wine. I've been craving palm wine and bushmeat, but I wasn't going to go and have it alone. I said, when I come and give you this good news, we'll go and enjoy ourselves. Come, let's go. Enter the car, let's go.
You know I can't drive.
What?
Yeah, after the accident I had some time, I lost memory of driving.
No, you can't be telling me that. Somebody who you that used to drive my car all over the village when I would visit, and you're telling me you can't drive. Since when?
Let me tell you the truth. You see this car? You gave me this car.
It's your car now. I just gave it to you.
I'm saying, as your friend, you say my friend take car. Look at me, I can't even drive this car.
You sacrificed so much for me. Why
it's not what we are not. We are not in the same picture. We are not seeing what I'm saying. If someone should tell me that you have this good intention, for me, I won't even believe that.
But
I didn't even wait. I went to Mazukon. Look at this.
The herbalist.
The herbalist.
What's this?
He get me this.
For what?
Right now, I can't even enter this car. You also, you can't even enter this car.
Why? What did you do?
I have bewitched this car.
You bewitched this car?
Yes.
You went to Mazi Okwonu?
Yes.
To collect
I don't even know you have good plans for me. I didn't wait. And he said if I should just place it on the tire, that once you move this car, you will have an accident. That you will die. This is exactly what I did to this car. Now you are saying this car belongs to me. How can I drive this car?
Hey!
How can I drive this car? I don't even know you have this. Oh,
my wife told me this. What is wrong in me giving my friend a car gift? This is someone that was supportive to me throughout our childhood. He used to take good care of me, and now that things are good for me, are you telling me that I cannot help him?
Honey, you don't understand me. We're not even in the same page. I'm telling you that I don't like him. I don't like how he behaves. Okay, if you want to give the car to somebody, I'm not against it, because oh yes, you made money, you bought car for me, and you have your own. We'll have like how many cars in the compound? Oh, good, I'm fine. You can still sell the car and use it, maybe give it out to some people. Not that man. I don't even like him.
Look, this is how you always act whenever I want to assist any of my friends or even my family members. You are always like this. So whether you are making a good point or not is not even in my mind right now, because you are always like this. You are always like this. Please, let me do as my mind has told me. I'm going to give my friend this car. That is what my conscience said I should do, and that is what I'm going to do. Are you going to wish me a safe journey or not?
Safe journey, no problem. Since you have decided to do that, I know I won't stop you. I just want to remind you again.
Okay, sweetheart. Look, I understand that you don't like him. Let me just do this one so that I know that I have settled him, and after that he is on his own. Let me just give him this car. That is what my heart said I should do.
Just be careful. Don't drink with him. Don't eat in his house.
What now? What is he going to do?
I'm just telling you. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't like
I've
him.
I've heard you. No problem. Wish me a safe trip. You know I cannot live without that.
Of course, my sweetheart will go and come back safely. Okay.
Thank you. Boy, take care of your mom, I won't be too long. I'll be back soon. All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Khing, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't even know you have this.
Why will you do a thing like this? Bro, we have been friends. We have been friends from childhood.
But I've been so envy of you.
I have been helping you every time I come to the village.
I know,
if it's 10, if it's 20, if it's 15, I've been giving you. And I always told you that as soon as I make enough money, that I'm going to help you. Did I not tell you this?
You said so, but I was impatient. I was waiting. It looks as if the waiting is taking much time.
It's not.
I didn't even know you have this. Please, my friend, please forgive me. Please, just find a place.
No.
Find a place.
Not you.
Please find a place in your heart.
Not you. If anybody would do a thing like this, it's not you. It's not you, my friend. After everything we have been through together, you allow the devil to use you like this. Hey! Oh, this is so painful. It's as if
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I don't even know you. I don't know this thing will happen like this.
Anyway,
I'm so sorry.
Anyway, it has happened. I don't know what you are going to do with the car now, but it's your car. But just know that our friendship is over, and everything that I plan to do for you, this is the end of it. You can't.
Khing. Look at what I've done to myself. You can't even advise me. You go to a native doctor, you can't even advise me that my friend have good. Which one are you saying? The only thing you people see is bad thing. People don't see good thing. Now look at you. When I came to your shrine, you can have said you at least you will see that good thing this my friend have in mind for me. You will see it. Now look at me. How can I drive this car? Now how can I drive this car? You mean native doctor? The only thing you people concerned is the bad ones.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.